Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the basics fast. First, free at least 10 to 20% of internal storage. Low space forces slow I/O, and that causes lag. Once done, restart the phone and boot to safe mode to see if third-party apps are the culprit. Make sure system and app updates are installed, then clear app caches for any apps showing large cache sizes. These steps remove immediate resource hogs and reveal whether lag is software or storage related. Next, you dig into optimization. Uninstall or disable heavy apps you rarely use. Swapping to lighter alternatives reduces CPU and RAM load. Then restrict background activity for 1 to 2 persistent apps and turn off background data for non-essential apps, because background threads cause CPU spikes. Reduce or disable system animations in developer options, choose a lightweight launcher, and use a trusted cleaner to remove residual temp files. Doing this lowers constant overhead, so the phone stays responsive. If lag persists, back up your photos and data now, because the final fix may be a factory reset. Once backed up, perform the reset and restore selectively. Reinstall only essential apps to avoid reintroducing the problem. Make sure to monitor performance for several hours after restoring. If things still go wrong, remove any SD card and test without it, then boot into recovery mode to wipe caches or reapply updates. This troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.